This is also very amazing today. A beautiful marble, like you said that. It's beautiful. It's on Neitsytpolku infrastructure. 3 staircase people. We need to get to staircase A as well.
And C.
C also, definitely C.
Yeah.
It was built in 1955, 65 years old. In 2020, with every coefficient since 6.5. This has 3 yards. It's going to be inspected in 2025 and it's going to be 70 years old. There's a stop on the robot on
Yeah,
this.
basement is locked.
Both are red here. But yeah, basement, yeah. But there's a attic floor. I think it's a very beautiful building.
Yeah.
It's post-war functionalism here. Siinä on Ullallinen rikas vuori Helsingin on Finland. Interesting roof, look at that.
Yeah.
This is very special for mid-1950s, I think.
Yes.
Does it have the white color?
Yes.
I love the smell in here also.
Same.
It's really great.
Spektiivpakki vähän sitten meidän temppausilla.
Yes. You're also the first one I made for is white.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. That's